Oh, really? Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Archie and I. So today's actually a really fun video. I went on Amazon and ordered a bunch of different outfits for Archie and maybe a matching outfit for us to try on, and yeah, he's probably going to hate it and he's gonna hate me after this, but I think it'll be really funny, and I think there's some really cute outfits that I got him, so I'm excited. Are you ready to put on some outfits? He's like, I don't like this anymore, guys. So this is the biggest one. I have a feeling I know which one this is. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. Now I have to find the matching one to this. Okay, so I got Archie and I matching duck pajamas. So obviously they're not like perfectly matching, but this was as close as I could get. And so we're both gonna be wearing duck onesies. Okay, wow, this is very warm. Okay, Archie, come here. We have to wear matching outfits. You have to come here. Look. This is not gonna fit him. Okay, let's try. He's honestly all hair, so let's see what we can do. Come here. I think he hates me. Oh my goodness. I think we could get the back legs on, but I don't know if we're gonna attempt that. Okay, here we are. Archie, look, we're twins. We're twins. He hates this. He's like, get me out of this, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have a feeling he's gonna hate the rest of these also, because he really didn't enjoy the duck outfit. I love you. He's like, Mom, what the heck? Okay. Let's see what else we got him. I'm so excited about this one. Why are these all so small? I thought he was small. This is the Adidas dog hoodie, and I think it's so cute. I feel so bad for doing this to you. But you're such a good sport. Yes. Okay. You gotta be trendy. Time to be trendy. Is your... Right here. Archie, it's okay. Look. Okay, this one does not fit over his head. Dang it, I thought this one was gonna be so cute on you. So this one is a little Burberry shirt. How freaking cute is this? And this one's nice because I don't have to put it over his head. This is perfect for you. Look, you're gonna be so handsome. Yeah. Such a handsome boy. Hey, it's okay. Oh, baby. I feel like I bought all of these way too small. I didn't know you were so big. I'm so sorry. Okay, well this one would have been really cute if it fit him again. So the next item is a costume. And when I saw this, I could not stop laughing. So this is a little puppuccino costume. He's like, Mom, why are these all going on me? Hey, good boy. Good boy. Okay, now we're gonna do the other leg. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. And for the best part, he is going to hate this part. Look at him. He's a little puppuccino. You hate me. Can I get your picture? Okay, I'm pretty sure he hates me, but look how cute he is. You are so cute, Archie. He's like, get this thing off of my head. Last package. The last one is another costume. And it's the UPS man. So Archie doesn't actually really know about the UPS man, but I just thought this one was so cute. Okay, time for our last costume, Archie. And then we can be done torturing you. So the last one is the UPS man. I think we just slip it over your head like this. And then do we put your I gotta see a picture of this. He's really over this. Just like that. And then we have one more. Here we have a UPS delivery dog. Oh my. You are so cute. Oh my goodness, you're such a UPS dog. Should we get a video of you running? Look. He doesn't know how to walk with it. Aw, baby. Come here. He is not amused. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Archie's definitely glad to be done with those. Look at him. He's like, Mom. You're so silly. But thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Me compensating Archie for his good behavior. Thank you for being such a good model, Archie.